Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'll be collaborating with my good friends over at Zepto Labs to show you how to draw Om Nom from Cut the Rope. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So over on the left side, I'm going to draw a small oval for the pupil, starting from the top, work our way to the bottom, and then back to the top. I'm going to leave a small gap in the center and do the same thing on the right side. So let's line up the top, curve down to the bottom, and then back up. We're going to fill the eyes in black. Now I want to surround the pupils with two large ovals. So I'm going to start in the center, I'm going to go to the top and draw on a point. From this point I want to curve around and out and then back up and towards the middle. Now right here I'm just going to pull this up in the middle to right about there. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right side. Starting from the center, go up to the same height, work our way down. Now right here I'm just going to pull this up in the middle. Now let's move up above the eyes and draw on the top of the head. So just above the left eye, I want to curve in and up towards the center, but I'm going to leave a gap in the middle. I'm going to go up to right about there. I'm going to leave a small gap in the center, go over towards the right, and curve down in behind the right eye. Now we're going to draw that little antenna at the top. From the left side, I want to go up. Now I'm going to curl around the outside. I'm going to come down towards the bottom. Now from here I just want to blend into a curve going the opposite direction towards this line here. So we're just going to blend this down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to imagine the curve of the head coming in behind the eyes towards the side of the cheeks. So let's start on the left side of the eye right here. Curve out. We're just going to pull that down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out and then down to the same height. Now I just want to round out the side of the cheek and then come down towards the bottom of the mouth. So let's start on the left side here. I'm going to round this out, curve down towards the bottom of the mouth. Now I just want to work my way up towards the right side. Curve up. Now again, we just want to round out the corner of the cheek. Now we're going to add 4 teeth along the bottom of the mouth. So let's start on the outside on the left. We're going to draw a half circle. Starting from the outside, curve down. We're just going to pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the outside. Now we're going to move in and draw 2 more teeth, but these teeth have a little bit of a rounded point. So we're going to leave a gap right beside this tooth. We're going to step in, curve down towards the tip of this tooth. We're going to round out the tip and then just curve it up underneath the mouth. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're going to leave a gap in the center, curve down towards a rounded point, and then we'll curve that up underneath the mouth. Now let's move back to the outside and draw on the side of the body. So just on the outside of this tooth here, we're going to curve down. Now we're just going to pull that in. We'll do the same thing on the right, curving down and then in. We're going to tuck the hind legs in behind the body. So from this point we're going to step up, curve out, and then down. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to flatten out the bottom of the foot. From the top here on the left, we're going to curve down towards the bottom of the foot. Now the 2 hands are going to overlap the bottom edge of the body. So let's start at the bottom of the hands. We're going to start with a curve. From left to right, we're going to curve down and then back up. We're going to leave a gap in the center and do the same thing on the right. Curving down and then up. Now from the outside, I just want to curve up and out. Starting from the left, go up and out on both sides. Now on the inside, we're going to curve in the opposite direction. Curving up and in. Now from the heels, I want to draw 2 straight lines going in behind the arms. Starting on the left, we'll go straight across and in. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now in between the hands, I'm going to draw a slight curve from left and then back up towards the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Om Nom from Cut the Rope. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and check out our friends at the Om Nom and Cut the Rope official channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.